Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Raheem Bogo again, back with another video. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the ring muscle ups. Now in calisthenics, the ring muscle ups it's a pretty easy skill to learn. I say it's between easiest and intermediate level skill. So I'm going to show you what exercise you need to do in order to build the strength to do it, and the step-by-step process in how to execute the ring muscle up. But before we get into that, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get into it, guys. First off, I'm going to show you how to do is the false grip. Now for this, you're going to grab the rings high like I'm doing now, and then you're going to slide your hands down, and that's going to put your wrist into a cocked position, and then just turn your elbows in underneath the rings. Now when you first do false grips, it's going to put a lot of pressure on your forearms and your wrist. So to build the strength and the durability with the false grip, I want you to do some rows, like regular bodyweight rows like I showed in my previous videos, but now this time you're going to do it with the false grip. Now the form is still the same like the regular bodyweight rows in my previous video again. Again, you want to be upright, retract your shoulders back and pull with your lats. Next we got pull-ups, but with the false grip as well. Now this is going to work on the first part of the full ring muscle up, which is the pull-up, because that's the first thing you're going to do. So to build up the strength again with the false grip, you want to do pull-ups on the rings. Now to make it harder, you can add weight, but that's not always necessary, to be honest. But the main thing to do is to do it explosive, so explosive pull-ups. Up next we've got ring dips. Now this is going to work the last portion of the ring muscle up. Now this is going to work your chest, triceps and your shoulders. Now this is a great compound exercise as well, and if you want you can add weight to it, but as I said before, it's not necessary if you don't really want to. Up next we got assisted ring muscle ups. Now this is going to help with the transition part of the ring muscle up. Now for this, you're going to pull yourself up and bring the rings to your chest, and then turn the rings out and lean your body forward. Now this is going to help put you into that bottom part of the dip position, and then from there now you're going to just press yourself upwards. So I'll repeat that again. The first part is the pull up. So you're going to pull the rings inwards, close to your chest, turn the rings out, lean your body forward and press upwards. Now learning the transition part will take time and practice, but once you've done that, you'll be able to do full ring muscle ups, because the transition part will bridge the gap between the pull-ups and the dips. And once you have enough strength, you'll be able to do reps. And to be honest, the ring muscle up isn't a hard skill to learn. What I'd advise you to do is to do it explosive and quick, and to be at a lean body weight, because any extra body fat you have will just weigh you down in the end. So there you have it, guys, that's the ring muscle up. Follow the step-by-step guide I laid out in the video and you have the ring muscle up in no time, trust me. So thank you for watching. Comment down your experience below, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'm out.